nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. يعني بيتارم داوية حفتيات خوش بي. Have a nice weekend. Today is the 9th of September. إيرو رجا نهاية جي سبتمبر جايبانها. Today is the 9th of September. إيرو رجا نهاية جي هيبانها. Happy birthday رجبوناتا بخير به. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. يعني سفراتا خوش به. هي دارم رحلاتا چوناتا خوش به. What day is it today? What day is it today? إيرو چيا? Today is Tuesday. إيرو رجا سيشنبه. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. إيرو سيشنبه. Today I am very busy. Today I am very busy. أزيرو قلقي مشغولم. Today I am very busy. أزيرو قلقي بشغلم بكارم. بالبونين يعني busy مشغول. What have you done today? تشكر إيرو. What have you done today? What have you done today? إيرو شكر. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. صبح چهارشنبه. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. What will you do tomorrow? الصبح تخوازي بكي. What will you do tomorrow? الصبح تخوازي بكي. What do you want to do tomorrow? What do you want to do tomorrow? الصبح تخوازي بكي. What do you want to do tomorrow? Tomorrow I want to meet with my dad. Tomorrow I want to meet with my dad. الصبح تخوازم بجفن بابي خورا. Tomorrow I want to meet with my dad. What did you do yesterday? تدهو شكر. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday دهويا. Can you please speak a bit slower? Can you please speak a bit slower? يعني تتقاري هناكي هيديكا بجراني بيشتغلي هيدي. Can you please repeat the sentence? تتقاري في مالكي فقريني. Can you please repeat the sentence? في جملة في مالكي تتقاري لسه فقريني. Can you please say it again? Can you please say it again? تتقاري جارك دي بيجي شكرا ماخوا.